Now children, after the study of discovery of fundamental particles and arrangement of fundamental particles in an atom, now we will discuss electromagnetic wave theory. What is electromagnetic wave theory and what are common features of electromagnetic radiations according to Clerk Maxwell? Energy, according to Clerk Maxwell, energy is emitted or absorbed continuously. Right, in the form of radiations. In the form of radiations, right? Important feature, continuously. Right? Electromagnetic waves. What is the meaning of electro and magnetic? Right? Radiations consist two fields. First is electric field and second is magnetic field. Right? Electric field will produce magnetic field. Right? What is the alignment of two fields? Perpendicular at 90 degree, right? And both fields are perpendicular to the direction of propagation also. This one is lying in 3D manner like this. Both are perpendicular to the path of propagation. This one is path. Right? So this is important feature of electromagnetic radiations, presence of two fields, their alignment and alignment of two fields of their path of propagation. Now children, next one, this is first feature. Second feature, electromagnetic radiations travel with the speed of light. Speed is fixed. Speed is fixed, which is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. Any electromagnetic radiation travel with this constant speed, which is given as 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Right? Medium is not required for their propagation. Electromagnetic rays or waves can travel in vacuum. Right? So medium is not required for their propagation. Right? These are common properties of electromagnetic waves. Different terms which are related with waves. First is lambda. What do you mean by this wavelength? Distance between two consecutive crests or trough. Or trough is known as lambda. This is minimum distance. Unit is angstrom, right? Or nanometer or micrometer, but not meter. This is minimum distance. The first property of wave is wavelength. Okay, children. Next is amplitude. This maximum height of this peak is known as amplitude. Right? Next, frequency. Frequency means number of waves passing through a particular point in 1 second per second. Number of waves through a particular point and unit is second is known as frequency. Right? Next is wave number. Wave number, which is given as nu bar, and frequency nu. Right? Wave number is a reciprocal of wavelength. It means number of waves in unit distance. Unit distance, and distance is given in terms of centimeter, right? So what is its unit? Centimeter inverse. Okay, these are common features of wave. Okay children. Now children, spectrum is dispersion of light into different colors, different wavelengths when light is passed through prism. But on the basis of radiations, whether absorbed radiations are analyzed with the help of spectrometer or emitted radiations are analyzed with the help of spectrometer, spectrum is classified into two main categories. First is emission spectrum and second is absorption spectrum. As it is clear from its type, emission means when emitted radiations or emitted light is analyzed. Right? In case of absorption, absorbed, this is basic principle of this type of spectrum. Absorbed radiations are analyzed. Right? And what is the name of instrument which is used for this analysis is spectrometer. Okay children. Now on the basis of light, right, whether white light is analyzed or any radiations are analyzed, emission spectrum is classified into two categories. First is continuous emission spectrum. Emission spectrum. Right? This is sub category. Continuous. When white light is passed. Okay children? When white light is passed through, first of all, the filtration of selected beams, white light is passed. First is a slit and then selected radiations are allowed on the surface of prism. Okay children, what happens when white light is passed through slit and selected radiations are allowed through prism? There is scattering of light into different colors, and collectively all 7 colors are known as wavelength. Right? What is main observation of this continuous spectrum? There is no gap between any two wavelengths. This is wavelength 1, which is given as lambda 1, lambda 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And what is the arrangement of color? With your violet color, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Right? Least deviated light is red and most is white. So this spectrum is continuous spectrum. Now second type of emission spectrum is discontinuous. Now second type of emission spectrum is discontinuous spectrum. When radiations from discharge tube, what is the source of radiations? Discharge tube, it means high voltage. Right? And some selected, this is slit for filtration of radiations, some selected radiations are allowed through. Some selected radiations are passed through prism, then what happens? In spectrometer, like photographic plate. Okay, in this what is observed children? Bright lines and dark space, because this is emission spectrum, right? If instead of discharge tube, sodium chloride is taken, means first heating of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is placed on Bunsen burner, it means heating of sodium chloride. Then what happens? Emission radiations which are emitted from NaCl, and these radiations are analyzed. Then two wavelengths of yellow color are observed in this spectrometer. First wavelength of this value 5890 angstrom and second wavelength of 5896 angstrom. This is characteristic feature. Particular sample shows spectrum of particular wavelength. Okay children, so this is the difference between continuous spectrum and discontinuous spectrum. Here is gap between two wavelengths. So this is called discontinuous spectrum. Okay, now in case of absorption spectrum, first of all, white light is passed through sample. In this sample tube, what is taken? Sodium chloride. We can take any chemical, right? According to this, so according to these two wavelengths, sodium chloride is taken in the sample tube, right? Some radiations are absorbed by chemical which is kept in this sample tube, and remaining radiations are allowed through prism, right? In front of prism, what is set up? Spectrometer, right? So remaining radiations are analyzed with the help of this instrument. Again, same wavelengths are observed of same magnitude. 890 is wavelength 1 and 5896 angstrom is wavelength 2. This is second wavelength, but appearance of line is different. In case of absorption spectrum, dark lines or dark line is obtained because some wavelengths are absorbed by the chemical which is kept in the sample tube. But look children, spectrum is considered as a fingerprint because different compound shows different arrangement of wavelength on this spectrometer. So this is unique property of spectrum.